Hey everyone, this is Kritik from Wallwhite. We help SMBs automate their processes using AI agents and AI automations, and we help you make wise use of AI. Today, we are looking at a problem statement that is very common across consulting firms. It is project management and reporting. So, the problem with project management and reporting is it's slightly low leverage, it's an internal activity, and it's heavily manual and it's kind of slow as of today, right? And teams spend a lot of hours drafting reports that are brand ready, and even the project manager spends a lot of time consolidating these updates, right? And project managers are forced to do admin work when they should actually be focusing on strategy, delivery, and client outcomes. And most information is sometimes scattered across Slack, emails, and whatnot. So we are trying to solve this using an AI powered workflow called AI project management automation. So this is what it potentially might look like, right? So every week, let's say on a Monday or a Friday, the reminder AI agent checks for weekly updates in a database. It can be a Google Sheet, it can be a software, and it informs team members to update their weekly reports and necessary files. Once the team member updates the report, the data is being transferred into a content agent. So the content agent is quite smart enough because it has access to all the notes and updates throughout the week. It has access to all the AI note takers. It has access to specific files and folders where data is being stored by these team members. So once the content agent gets all the team update plus using its context, it checks for any missing details or clarifications, and if there is any information required from the team member, it prompts the team member to give it. If the information is intact, it'll just proceed forward and pass on this information to the report agent. So the report agent here generates a weekly domain level report. When I say domain level, it means the individual team member report, right? So this is the first level of report that's being generated, and this is going to be brand ready. It's going to be in the specific format that we predefine for the team. And once the report is ready, the team member can review and make some changes. And if things are all cool, the reminder agent will be informed to update it on the software, and it will do so, and it will notify the project manager. So by the end of the day, the report agent would have submitted the report, and if there's any missing reports from any other team member, it keeps reminding them through the reminder agent. So once the report agent gets all the reports from the team, it will start to generate a weekly report at project level. This is a consolidation report that the project manager might need. So once that is being generated, the PM will review it, and if there's any feedback, he'll give it. And if the project report has issues, it loops back. Another version of the weekly report is being generated as per the feedback, or you can manually edit it. Plus, if there's any problem in a team member's specific report, the PM gives the feedback, and this loops back to the content agent, and that will be prompting the team member to give a new update or the missing information, and then this cycle will go on. So the reason this automation is quite important is because project management and reporting is slightly time consuming, and it's not something that people want to spend a lot of time on, but they end up spending a lot of time. So large tech firms and large consulting companies have already started using their own internal AI agents, and they've started automating such mundane tasks, which saves a lot of time, not just for the project manager, but for the entire team as well, right? This can be uh, totally deployed in your own VPC, or it can be run locally. So data security is not an issue at all. Uh, think of you updating 3 to 4 decks into a ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity and getting a full consolidated report ready, right? So this automation does that all along with generating a domain level report as well, with necessary human in loops across the process. So if this sounds interesting to you, and if you feel like your team is spending a lot of time on project management reports, you might want to consider automating it. If you need any help, reach out to us. Volvet can help you out. Cheers. See you in the next one.